is Cheryl from the Madison Children's Museum. Today we're going to do a STEM challenge and make penny tops. Penny tops are really fun to spin, and when you watch a top spin, you're learning about physics. It takes torque to rotate your top. When the penny is centered on the mass is what rotates, and the weight of the object gets equally distributed. And you can learn about torque and motion and what happens when you spin a top. So to make our own tops today, what you're going to need is something to trace a circle, and you're going to want a pretty nice size circle. So I have a canning lid, a tape roll. These will both work great for tracing circles. You can also use a jar or a cup. Anything like that will work. I have markers to decorate my circle, and I have scissors to cut it out. So once you get your circle traced, you're going to you can decorate it. We'll cut a slit in the middle, and you'll want an adult to help you if you're going to use scissors or a razor knife. And then you'll want a tight hole so that it holds your penny in. So to get started, any kind of cardboard works good. I have cardboard from a box, a file folder, an old cereal box. Anything in your recycling bin will work for this project. So let's get started. I'm going to start by laying down my canning lid right here and tracing my circle. And I'll lay down some tape and trace that circle. There'll be two different size tops. Once my circles are traced like that, I'm going to cut them out. There we go. And I started one ahead of time. So here's one that's already cut out. And then I'm going to decorate it with some markers. You can make designs, so when your top spins, you can even mix colors. And think about what happens when you mix yellow and red. Does it make orange? Or if you mix blue and red, does it make purple? Or if you mix blue and yellow, will it make green? You can make designs on your top by drawing out different colors and lines are in a row. So when it spins, you can mix colors, or you can make any kind of design to spin. Once I've gotten this cut out, I have a razor knife here that I'm going to use to make just a little slice in it. And then I have a penny right here that I can stick in the slice, and I want it to be nice and tight in there. And I also want the penny to be halfway through each side. So the top part is what I can hold on to when I spin it, and the bottom part is what the axis in which it spins on. There we go. So now here is my top, and it will just spin on the table. So you can make one of these at home. Have a great day from Madison Children's Museum.